Hi, Indiegogo Bakers. I'm glad to present you today the assembling line of manufacturing process of SDREAM bike. I could have introduced it to you. If you would take a look at the main thing that our company is famous for is the advantages in hydrophobic production. We're producing the frame for the bike that are totally different. And our unique feature is the shape of the bike. The different shapes, the advantages, as I mentioned already, that in hydrophobic production allow us to make a different shape, starting from a slim one in here and getting to the thick one in the end, making those shapes, making those corners out here. It's just beautiful. You guys will take a look at the assembling process right now. This helps us to mount our new engine to our SDREAM bike. As you can see, there's not only the engine that needs to be part, but I'm glad to present you the 4 inches fat tire that we got on this particular bicycle, which can help you. It's gonna help you out with all the sport activities that you guys gotta be. As for the models that we got here, we got 2. The first one is 750. 750 is a regular bike, so it's city life for those people who like to go to the beach side, on the boardwalk, and have a ride in the evening after a busy working day. And we got a second one, 750S. The difference between those is the main frame. The main frame in here is separated into 2 parts. We got a back one, we got a middle one, and there is a unique technology that allows this bike to be the best in the market. We got a middle frame suspension out here. This thing gonna help you on off-road. I want to say thank you. Thank you to this 100 people who supported us. With your help, we had a great start. And we are looking forward, looking to 1,000, to 1,000,000 people, to build our dreams together.